Why was this freaking out?
A parent contacted Team 10, upset that she wasn't notified about a head lice problem at her child's school. So Team 10 investigator Melissa Masiha dug into local and state policies.
That's right, and Melissa, you found there really isn't one overall regulation.
No, and a lot has changed over the years. Remember when we were kids and many schools would check students' hair and then send students home if lice was found. Well, today public health officials say the policies come from the districts. After contacting several agencies, I found notifying parents isn't a requirement.
I think it is a health risk because it's in the hair.
They're tiny bugs that create big problems for some families. Tara, who didn't want us to use her last name, noticed the bug on her daughter's classmate at Valencia Park Elementary School.
One of the little girls sitting next to her was scratching her head, and I looked over and I seen lice in her hair.
The mother of 4 says she spoke to school administrators.
School said that they weren't allowed to send notes or anything.
We searched through several policies. Under the State Department of Public Health guidelines, classroom or school-wide notification is not recommended, but they say it's at the discretion of the school nurse or administration. Tara says there's no notification for parents at her children's school, but a parent with kids in the Chula Vista Elementary School District told me they do get emails and letters when dealing with the lice infestation. Team 10 contacted San Diego Unified. A spokesperson said it's up to the principals whether or not they notify parents. She also said under guidelines through public health experts, students are not sent home early. It also says school-wide screening doesn't help control lice. With 4 daughters, all with long hair, those answers don't ease Tara's fears.
Just as if like one of us had a sick child and we have to notify them of the illness, it's kind of the same respect I would like in return.
Well, the CDC says head lice does not spread disease. The agency doesn't have exact numbers on outbreaks, but estimates 6 to 12 million infestations occur every year among kids. San Diego Unified does track lice cases through school nurse visits, but those numbers were not available today. I also contacted the school's principal. Right now, still waiting to hear back. Melissa Masiha, Team 10.